Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Hi guys! So today I bring you a really special video. I received this package and I was really waiting for it for a long time, and I finally got it today and I cannot wait to open it. So I will show you what it really is. Let's go. Let's open it. Okay, careful. Okay, I don't want to ruin what's inside, so gotta be careful. Okay. It's really well packaged, I must say. I'm really impressed. Okay, this is gonna take a while. So, not a problem. My patience has been tested, but I shall wait no longer. Okay, so it's like a box. Let's do it. Oh my god. One of those amazing miracles of life when your dream really comes true. I have been dreaming of writing. I've been writing all my life, but I've always dreamt of having a career as a writer for a really long time. But I never really got the time to, actually. I never really got the time to actually, sit and write and go through all that process until now. There's a time for it. Oh my god! Oh my god, what is this? Wow! This is so cool! Okay, so first I'll show you the most important thing. My book! These are my author copies, and yeah man, they're finally here. So amazing. This feels like something. Story of Miss Independent, Voyage of a Spirit Friend by PURI. Yeah. So I've dedicated this book to my grandfather. So that's really, because he's the most important. He's my best friend. He's the most important person in my life, I have to say, hands down. So yeah, dedicated to my grandfather. All my life he has told me to follow my dreams, and do everything that I want to do in life, and never hold back, for whatever reason. It could be maybe because you're a woman, or whatever economical reasons there could be. Just don't hold yourself back and be fearless and just go for your dreams. And that's why I dedicated this book to him. Thank you, Grandpa. I love you. So yeah, there are so many of them. Oh my god. This is I feel like this is the most authorly experience I'm having all my books. I wrote this. Can you imagine that? Oh my god, I wrote this. And guess what else it has? This package is. So I'll show you what this is. Okay. This is so beautiful. Oh my. Thank God. is really cool. These are my business cards. Author. Ta-da! Yeah, I'll be giving out these, like a total professional. Okay. Woohoo! It's really demotivating feeling, It's like the moment when a singer finally gets a dream and they sing and they listen to the song on the radio. It's something like that. As a writer, as a poet, to have, like, to hold my books in my hand and to have them being sold online or physical copies across the world and physical copies in the city. Yeah, it's a dream come true. I cannot say that enough. How thankful I am to God for giving me this. So, do pick up a copy or order your copy online or buy the ebook and read it, and if you like it or if you don't like it, even then, give it a review and talk about the book, spread the word, and let me know. I'm open to constructive criticism. I'm totally open to it. So yeah, pick up a copy, read it, and let me know how you found it. And yeah, support the cause. And yeah, I really promised to myself that if I really do well as an author, as a debut author, then I will donate some of the whatever I earn and dedicate some of it to a good cause, and that's for sure. So yeah, if you'll be buying the book, it will be for a good cause as well. So yeah, here it is. Voice of a Spirit Friend. Pick up the copy. And yeah, if you happen to see me somewhere, this shall be yours. I love it. It's amazing. It's so chic. Blue Rose Publisher, Blue Rose Author. Really cool, yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching, and order a copy now. And like this video if you liked it, and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos on all kinds of things. I make videos about, like, I make vlogs, and I make videos about books, I make videos about shopping, lifestyle stuff, so skin routines and everything. So to more exciting content on this life, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching.